Seattle, a city that blends iconic skyline views, cozy coffee culture, and endless Pacific Northwest charm. Whether you're here for the food, the waterfront, the history, or just that perfect city escape, there's one place that welcomed us right into the heart of it all. Welcome to the Emerald Suite here at the Grand Hyatt in Seattle, Washington. Come along with me as we explore this 23 square foot room that we snagged at an excellent deal for our staycation with our family. As you can see, you get your own living area right here, complete with a couch, and you've got 2 seating chairs taking in this lovely view of the skyline and the convention center. So if you're here for a conference, this is a great place to stay. Moving on, you do have a TV and a refrigerator in this space. So if you've got some leftovers, feel free to pop them in the fridge. We did not find a microwave in here, so just keep note of that. As we enter into the suite, you have this nice little hallway taking you in to the piece de resistance, which is the master suite area. Just let's pause for a second and take in these sweeping views. My favorite part is this window over here, which we'll save till the end. But as you can see, you've got a working space over here. So if you are bringing work on the road with you, you've got a desk complete with a view of the skyline to help keep you motivated. This room does come with a king size bed and another lounger chair, plus a TV, so you can take a load off after the end of a busy day. Let's go this way to see where you get ready. So you've got a place to hang all of your clothes, your luggage rack, and then at the end of this hallway is a coffee and tea station. Coffee and tea are complimentary in this room, so yay for that. And then moving on into the bathroom, oh my goodness, ladies, there is a deep soaking tub that I think is large enough for my husband to fit in. There's a shower separate if taking a deep bath is not your thing. And then of course you've got a vanity complete with all your amenities and a little powder room over here for doing your business. So as promised, let's go look out this window over here. Take a look. So straight out there is the Puget Sound. You heard me right. Right there is the Puget Sound. And in less than a mile, you can get to Pike Place Market. So if you're into exploring the market, maybe you want to do a little shopping, Westlake Center is literally that white building where the star is. So you are close to anything that you could want. And because you're in Seattle, you're never too far from a coffee shop. So thanks for coming along as we toured the Emerald Suite, which is perfect in the Emerald City. Bye.